All right, so what's up, guys? I'm back with another crash update video. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up at where the bike currently is, and I did finish up swapping out that lower triple clamp last night. Got it all pretty much back together. Everything's torqued down and ready to go. The only thing left to do is just put all the fairings back on. It was overall a pretty simple job. It's just really tedious because, you have to take all this headlight and the wires and everything out. But, you follow the service manual. Was really, really simple. And it wasn't even really that time consuming. I just took my time just because it was my first time doing it. But everything was pretty straightforward. It's probably not something that a beginner level guy can do, but if you have some basic tools, some basic mechanical knowledge, most of you guys that wrench on your own bikes can do it. So yeah, like I said, only thing I have left to do is put the fairings back on, and I am waiting for this one piece to my left rear set. You can't really tell by just looking at it, but this did bend a little bit. And I noticed when I finally took it back out on a road test after I got it back together after crashing, the shifting felt a little mushy. It wasn't as tight. And so I, pulled it apart, and I found that, this is just very slightly bent, where you almost, you can't really tell unless you're looking at it up close. So I had to order this piece from CNC Racing, and it's taken forever to come. It's been like 3 weeks now. I've been waiting for that, 3 to 4 weeks. That one is still usable. I could use it and I can ride it if I want, but like I said, it doesn't feel as tight because that piece is cocked to the whatever way a little bit. So if it comes down to it, I'll just put it back together if I want to go out for a ride, and then I'll just swap that out when I get the new piece. But here you can see the broken lower triple. The steering stop on this side just sheared right off, like I don't know. And that one's still intact. I did replace this bearing with a new one. That's pretty much it, man. Don't really have anything else to say. Like I said, I'll probably swap this ugly bar end out. Might just touch this lever up with black marker, black paint. I don't know if I'm gonna buy new levers just for that. If I do get new levers, I'm probably gonna go back to the long levers. So yeah, that's where we at now. Next video update, if I put out another one, probably be riding or something, or hopefully I don't run into any other issues with this. Everything, like I said, went back together with ease. Everything works, all the electronics that I put back together. So yeah, that's where we at. All right, I'm gonna check you guys out later. Peace.